unahan na naman kami ng grab ko. Sino mauna, yung fit check ko or yung makarating siya. Event is for Charles and Keith. And medyo nagka-personality tayo today. Necklace is from Cali. Jewelry, this is from Bervon Swarovski Orange App. Top ko is from Mango. Belt is from Pull & Bear. My jeans are from Rich Boys. Ang kalat ng kwarto ko kasi nahirapan ako mag-design ng outfit. My heels are from Charles and Keith. Surprisingly, ito yung highest pair of heels I own, but they are comfortable. So, hindi ko na siya i-break in. I just trust. Bag is also from Charles and Keith. Hindi ko pa siya nasasara. I'm pretty proud of this outfit. Sobrang bet ko yung outfit nito kasi I'm comfortable. I am covered, I'm comfortable, but still, you know, there's something. It doesn't look boring. I think the hair brings it all together. Ay, wala pa si Kuya ata. Or baka walang nag-accept sa akin, kaya walang nauuna sa akin. Wala pa pala akong lipstick. Pero sa kotse na yun. Feeling ko may kulang sa face ko, pero hindi ko na kasi siya ma-decipher kung ano. So, let me know kung ano yung kulang sa face ko, pero wala na rin kasi magiging difference yun. Kasi by the time na nakita nyo to, nakaalis na ako. Bye!